Meaning of editorial.
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 Editorial. The word editorial refers to an opinion piece in a newspaper, magazine, or online publication that reflects the views of the publication's editors or management. These articles discuss current events or significant issues and aim to persuade readers to adopt a particular perspective or take specific action. The editorials are typically written in a formal and authoritative tone, drawing on facts and evidence to support their arguments. Overall, editorials play an essential role in shaping public opinion and influencing policy debates by presenting well-considered and articulate arguments on important issues.